Welcome to our guide on how to sign up for TikTok, the popular social media platform that's taking the world by storm. Whether you're a budding content creator or just looking to join the TikTok community, we've got you covered with easy-to-follow steps to get you started. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of creating your TikTok account so you can start sharing your creativity and engaging with millions of users worldwide. So, first go to Google and search the TikTok, and click the first link, and wait, sometimes, and click the Continue with Google, and Success Login. So this is the easy trick to sign up TikTok. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to sign up for TikTok, and are now ready to explore the endless possibilities this platform has to offer. Whether you're into dance challenges, funny skits, or showcasing your talents, TikTok is the place to be. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and make your mark in the TikTok community. Don't forget to like, share, and follow to stay updated with the latest trends and viral content. Thanks for watching, and happy TikToking!